Is the machine that's on?
Yeah, she's on now.
This is Local 60 doing the plastering on the Chrysler building. What unit of the bricklayers company? 3 or 4 different units on this job. Nice enough. It's a long way to the street, boy.
Hello, Dave. Remember when you were a kid, your grandfather told you about 42nd Street being nothing but a lane?
Yeah. Pretty soon it'll be worse than Wall Street.
By the way, you're the ironworker on the job here. How much steel is there?
Well, it's 23,000 tons.
Quite a bit of steel, isn't it?
Yeah, that's quite a bit of steel. You're an electrician on the job,
Yeah.
aren't you? How much wire is on the job?
Oh, 800 miles of wire.
That's some tower up there.
Why, quite a piece of work, I'll say.
Yeah.
How tall is that?
1,030 feet high.
Quite a height. I wouldn't want to fall over that.
Oh.